for residents in Leander, Texas, seeking reliable electrical services. Our team of licensed electricians is your trusted partner for all your electrical needs. Understanding the critical role electricity plays in your daily life, we prioritize delivering prompt, professional, and round-the-clock support to ensure your electrical systems operate seamlessly. Leander residents value having a dependable team of electricians they can count on to address any electrical issue, regardless of its complexity. Our skilled technicians are available 24/7, ensuring that you're never left in the dark when it comes to your electrical systems. Whether you're facing a sudden power outage, dealing with faulty wiring, or looking to install new electrical fixtures, our team has the expertise to provide effective solutions tailored to your needs. From residential homes to commercial properties, we are equipped to handle a wide range of electrical projects with precision and care. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we are committed to delivering prompt and professional service in every interaction. Our dedication to excellence means we strive to achieve exceptional results. Whether it's diagnosing and repairing electrical issues or upgrading and installing new systems, when you choose our electricians in Leander, Texas, you can trust that your electrical systems will operate safely and efficiently, providing you with the peace of mind you deserve. Don't hesitate to contact us at the below number to schedule your service today and experience the difference of working with our premier electricians in Leander, TX. Call us now for expert licensed electricians in the Leander, Texas area for all residential and commercial repair and installation needs.